student, welcome back to MKG Online Study, an e-learning platform. Today's video, we are going to learn bonded metal wire strain gauges. Bonded metal wire strain gauge are used for both stress analysis and construction of transducer. A resistant wire strain gauge consists of a grid of fine resistor wire of about 0.025 mm in diameter or less, which is looped back and forth on a base mounting plate. The plate is cemented on a carrier. The plate is cemented to member undergoing stress. This is why it is called as bonded. The grid is cemented to base, which may be a thin sheet of paper, a thin sheet of bakelite, or sheet of Teflon. The wire is covered on top with a thin sheet material so as to prevent it from any mechanical damage. The spreading of wire permits a uniform distribution of stress over the grid. The size of strain gauge varies with application. They can be 3 mm by 3 cm square or can be larger, 25 mm long and 12.5 mm wide. For excellent and reproducible result, it is desired that the resistance wire strain gauge should have the following characteristics. The value of strain gauge factor should be high. A high value of gauge factor indicates a large change in resistance for a specific strain. It results in high sensitivity. The resistance of strain gauge should be as high as possible. That minimizes the effect of undesirable variation of resistance in measurement circuits. The strain gauge should have a low resistance temperature coefficient. It is essential to minimize the errors that are caused due to variation in temperature as they affect the accuracy of measurements. The strain gauge should not have hysteresis effects in its response. In order to maintain consistency of calibration over the entire range of strain gauge, it should have linear characteristics. That is, the variation in resistance should be linear function of the strain. The strain gauge are frequently used for dynamic measurement and have their frequency response should be good. The linearity should be maintained within accuracy limits over the entire frequency range. The adhesive materials are generally used for bonding. The lids should be of such material that have low and stable resistivity as well as low resistance temperature coefficient. You can see these are the three bonded strain gauge. Means we are having a base, and on that we are having a wire with leads, and these wires are cemented or adhesive to the base material. Base, several types of base or carrier materials are used to support the wires, and adhesive materials are used for bonding material. Leads of such material should have low and stable resistivity and also a low resistance temperature coefficient. Thank you for watching this video.